If you're over 60 and struggling with poor sleep, waking up tired, or finding yourself wide awake at 3 a.m., you're not alone. Sleep naturally becomes more fragile as we age, but here's the good news. The foods you eat in the evening can dramatically improve your sleep, or quietly destroy it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what to eat at night to help your body relax, release tension, and stay asleep longer. The 3 common foods that silently kill sleep in older adults, and simple nighttime habits that help your body drift into deep, healing rest. Stay with me, because even one small change tonight could help you wake up feeling more refreshed. Let's start with something important. As we grow older, our sleep patterns naturally shift. You may notice you fall asleep later than before. You wake up more during the night. Or you wake up too early in the morning. Or your sleep feels lighter and less refreshing. This happens because of 3 major changes in the body. 1. Lower melatonin levels. Melatonin is the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. After 60, melatonin production can drop by up to 50%. This makes it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. 2. Increased stress hormones at night. Cortisol, your stress hormone, can stay higher for longer as you age. And cortisol is like a loud alarm bell telling your brain, stay awake. 3. Digestion slows. Aging bodies take longer to process food. So the wrong type of dinner or even a wrong snack can keep your body working instead of resting. Now, the beautiful part. Your nighttime food choices can support melatonin, calm cortisol, and help your digestion relax. Let's start with the best foods to eat at night for deeper sleep. Number 1. Warm banana cinnamon drink. This simple recipe is one of the easiest ways to calm your body before bed. Bananas are naturally high in magnesium, relax tight muscles, reduces leg cramps, potassium, helps regulate heart rhythm, vitamin B6, supports melatonin production, cinnamon, helps stabilize blood sugar, preventing midnight awakenings. How to make it? Heat half a banana or use mashed banana. Add warm milk, dairy or plant-based, sprinkle cinnamon, sip slowly 30 minutes before bed. Many seniors feel their muscles soften and their minds quiet after this soothing drink. Number 2. A handful of walnuts. Walnuts are one of the few foods that naturally contain melatonin. They also provide healthy fats that stabilize nighttime blood sugar, a key for staying asleep through the night. Tip: eat 4 to 5 walnuts about an hour before bedtime. Not too many, just enough. Number 3. Chamomile and honey. Chamomile contains apigenin, an iron antioxidant that binds to brain receptors and promotes relaxation. A small amount of honey helps tryptophan travel to the brain and boosts melatonin. But only 1 teaspoon. Too much sugar works against sleep. And studies show that adults who eat 1 or 2 kiwis before bed fall asleep faster and increase their total sleep time. Kiwis are rich in vitamin C, folate, and antioxidants that calm inflammation, and natural serotonin, the happy hormone that helps convert into melatonin. This fruit gently signals the body it's time to rest. Next, in part 2, we will reveal the 3 sleep-killing foods seniors must avoid, especially after 6 p.m. And the worst one is something almost everyone over 60 eats without realizing the damage. When you're ready for part 2, just type "continue"